This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to add an appointment booking to your Squarespace website. Whether you're running a small business, managing a team, or simply organizing personal projects, having a streamlined way for people to book appointments with you can make a world of difference. So let's dive in and get your booking system up and running in no time. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the scheduling section in your home menu. This is your go to place for managing all things related to appointments and schedules on your Squarespace website. Once you're there, it's time to set up your calendar. This step is crucial as it defines the parameters of your availability and ensures that your clients or visitors can conveniently book the times that work best for both of you. Having a calendar set up not only keeps you organized but also allows your clients to see your available slots in real time, reducing the back and forth communication often involved in appointment scheduling. Make sure you customize your calendar settings to reflect your working hours, buffer times between appointments, and any other preferences you might have. This will help you stay efficient and professional. After setting up your calendar, you need to add it to a page on your website. This is where your clients or visitors will go to book an appointment with you. To do this, open the page editor of the page where you want the booking option to appear. Squarespace makes this process very intuitive. Once you're in the page editor, you'll want to click on Add Block. Think of blocks as the building elements of your Squarespace site. They allow you to add all sorts of content, from text and images to more interactive features like your appointment booking system. In this case, you'll be selecting the scheduling block. This specific block is designed to integrate seamlessly with your calendar setup, displaying the appointment types you've created. The beauty of the scheduling block is that it automatically syncs with the appointment types you configured earlier. This means that any changes you make to your appointment types, such as adding new services or adjusting durations, will automatically update on the booking page, providing a hassle-free experience for both you and your users. Once you've added the scheduling block to your page, take a moment to preview it. Make sure everything looks the way you want and that all the information is correct. You might want to consider the layout and design to ensure it aligns with the rest of your website's aesthetic. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, don't forget to save your changes. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully added an appointment booking feature to your Squarespace website. Now, visitors can easily book appointments with you thanks to your sleek, professional setup. Remember, having an effective booking system in place not only improves your workflow but also enhances the overall experience for your clients. Thanks for following along and happy scheduling.